mHUB for day 2 of our MedTech Accelerator Demo Day. I'm Melissa Lederer. I'm the Chief Experience Officer here at mHUB. These teams were selected from hundreds from around the world to come here to Chicago to participate in this program for 6 months, hands-on, during COVID, to really surround them with the resources and the ecosystem that they need to help them accelerate that path to success and commercialization.
We're so incredibly happy to have you join us today to meet these teams, to hear about their amazing accomplishments. So thank you for sharing this milestone with us. We hope that it's the start of many relationships that will serve as the foundation for them to build successful companies.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manav, and I am the founder of Equibands and the inventor of Minimize, a bracelet that reduces hand tremors by up to 95%.
My name is Sean, and I'm the founder of Ping. At Ping, we're here to improve the caregiving efficiency for providing wearables and AI.
Glaucoma remains the #1 cause of irreversible blindness. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sumit Dagar, and I'm here to tell you about Bionode solution, which we call iOptics, comprises of a proprietary gold trace embedded in a contact lens, improving the drainage of ocular fluid and reducing the pressure rapidly.
My name is Jonathan, the co-founder and COO of NovaXS Biotech. We invented our patent-pending technology, Telesis, a smart needle-free drug delivery platform.
Sepsis is a major health challenge in the United States. It kills nearly 250,000 Americans every single year. Introducing a wearable, non-invasive sensor for the fingertip, which takes that subjective observation that clinicians and nurses use by pinching the finger and turns it into an objective measure.
My name is James Ballman. I'm the founder of Walela, and we built the world's first predictive in utero continuous metabolic monitoring system. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm the CEO of HIVE. We make smart sensors for IV at home.
So if I'm a patient, I get sent home with this line. This goes straight into my heart. And what we've made at HIVE is this smart catheter. So all of our electronics are inside of here, and then over there is our gateway. Then we have our website. So on here, this is what the doctor would see. They can see all of their patients coming up on the screen. You can see this first time, so this is my last session. So it was only 18 seconds, so that wasn't long enough. So now the doctor knows that they need to contact me and maybe figure out what's going on. Why did I just take this for 18 seconds when I was supposed to take it for an hour?
NXgenPort is the first of its kind implanted smart port that detects early signs of infection by measuring changes in blood cell counts, heart function, and vitals.
So NXgenPort, that's a system mainly for a product that is implanted inside a chemotherapy port. Mainly targets cancer patients to analyze the blood and count blood cells, like white blood cells, mainly trying to detect neutrophilic count, if there is neutropenia or increase in neutrophilic count.
I'm John Ralston, CEO and co-founder at Neursantys, by developing a device we call Nervesta. It's the first easy-to-use, wearable medical device that integrates both diagnostic assessment and therapeutic treatment, non-invasive therapeutic treatment for age-related balance decline.
We're about to do a demonstration of the Nervesta Balance Aid. For the demonstration, it's actually not the therapy that we would apply for a senior, but instead we're going to apply a sine wave, which is going to cause Macaulay to wobble back and forth, left and right, slowly at about a 5-second rate of wobble. So right now Chris is applying adhesives, they're gel electrodes, and then he'll apply the electrodes from our lab system, and then it will be about a 20-second demonstration where he'll stand with his feet together, his eyes closed, and then once the stimulation starts, you'll start to see him go from side to side.
That is wild.
We at mHUB believe that we're the leading incubator for hardtech in the world, MedTech specifically today, but we do so much work across product innovation, sustainability, IoT, just so many different categories. So thank you for being here today, and we look forward to welcoming you back for future cohorts and accelerator programs and all that. We really think this is becoming the best place in the country, if not the world, to build your early stage hardtech company, right?